How to create a 3D text animation on Microsoft PowerPoint. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to create a 3D text animation on PowerPoint presentation. So the first thing you need to do is open up your PowerPoint presentation, and then from here you can just type in your text on your PowerPoint. And once you have done that, you can choose your font and then your font style and background. Now once you are done editing your text, what you can do is select your entire text, right click on it, and then click on Format Text Effects. So here you have an option to play with different options like shapes, shadows, reflection, and colors. So click on text option, and then from here you can just click on the text. Click on the shadow drop down. Here you can increase the transparency of your shadow and then the color of your shadow as well. So it will adjust that. You can choose your reflection, and mainly you just want to head over to the 3D format. Click on it. You can choose your width and height accordingly. So just increase your width and height to increase the 3D effect and make it more pop. And once you have done that, you can simply go ahead and choose your lighting options as well. And so you can play around with these values to see how it matches your preference. So you can simply go ahead and adjust these heights and top levels. You can also adjust the size of your depth and then your contour. So once you are happy with your text, then all you have to do is right click on it and then click on duplicate text or duplicate slide, and now you can just move it down a bit like this to create the animation effect. And now from here you want to head over to transitions and then click on morph. So it will create a morph transition whenever you move to a next slide like this. So you can move it down somewhere where it's not visible on the first slide. Just select the text, move it down like this. And now if I move it to my full screen and move to my next slide, the animation will now be done. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.